Hello dear students, welcome back once again to this video tutorial. In my previous video, I explained to you about the formulas of how to calculate median in individual series, discrete series and continuous series along with the examples from the textbook. So, just to check whether you're aware, just to familiarize yourself with the formulas, we're going to start solving questions. Okay, so we're going to start with question number 2 because question number 1 is about mode and we haven't gone through the formulas yet. So we will be starting with question number 2, and here the question is about to calculate the median from the following data. So here, if you look into the table that in page number 261, question number 2, all right, so you will find that in the table it is given marks, and inside the bracket it is given more than. So since it is more than, so therefore it is not a discrete series, but it is going to be a continuous series. All right, so I also told you to every time, just look at the frequency first and see whether you have unarranged frequency or it has already been arranged here. So if you look into it, the frequency is also given in more than, right? So it is like from 50, 46, 40, 20, 10, 3. It's going in descending order. All right. So when we are solving it, we first have to make it as a normal frequency, and after that only we have to calculate the cumulative frequency. Okay. So let's start with the question here. Question number 2. Question number 2, page number 261. Okay, so while watching this video, I want you all to, take out your textbook, look at the question, watch the video carefully, and then you can try to solve by yourself later. All right, so let's start. Let's write it down here. It says more than. So 0 to, we can write it here. More than 0 is 0 to 10. More than 10 is 10 to 20. 20 to 30. 30 to 40. 40 to 50. And it's more than 50. So we'll write here 50 to 60 as well. So let's just write down the number of students given there. 50. 46, 40, 20, 10, and 3. So you have to make it a normal frequency. Well, the frequency is in descending order. What you can do is you can minus from here. Okay, 50 minus 46. The first frequency, in order to get the first frequency, you have to minus this one. 50 minus 46. You get how much? 4. 46 minus 40, you get 6. Sorry, this is 6. 40 minus 20, you get 20. 20 minus 10, you get 10. 10 minus 3, you get 7. 3 minus nothing, please write it down, 3. Okay, so this is our normal frequency. Now we have to calculate cumulative frequency. So to calculate cumulative frequency, the first frequency you just write as it is. The second one you have to add up. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 20 is 30. 30 plus 10 is 40. 40 plus 7 is 47. And 47 plus 3 is 50. So here, the total value is 50, therefore your n value will also be 50. Now, do you remember the formula how to calculate median in continuous series? Yeah? I'm sure you are aware of it. So what do we have to do first? We have to first find out the median class, right? So after finding out the median class, we will find out what is L1, what is n by 2, what is CF, what is F, what is I, and then we add it all in the formula, right? So let's find the median class first, okay? So median class. is equal to size of, I'll just write it down here, size of n by 2 item. So here n by 2, n is 50 by 2 item. It is 25th item. So what do we do next? You have to look this 25 in the cumulative frequency. Where can we find 25 here? So here, if you look into it, 25 will be here under 30, right? So I told you, once you find out which item lies where, you can underline it so that, you know, it will be easy for you to know what is what, right? Okay. So here, once we find out this one, 25 lies under 30, okay, in 30 here. So here, so the frequency here, it will be your F value. This 20 will be your F value, okay. This will be your what? 20 to 30 is a class interval. So here, this 20 will be your L1. This 10 will be your CF, right? And how do we calculate I? Don't write the way I'm writing, okay? You have to write it neat and clean. 30 by 20, 30 minus 20 is 10. The difference is 10. You have to look at the difference in the class interval. So once you find out everything, I want you to write it down, okay? So you can write down here, median class, where is the median class here? It's 20 by 30, right? This is the median class. Therefore, L1 is equal to 20. I is equal to 10. We also have to calculate the CF. So CF here, what is the CF? CF here is 10, right? Your F value, your frequency is 20, and your n by 2, you got how much? 25. So these are the figures that you'll be needing while working out with the formula. All right. So I hope you're also clear with the formula. I'm just writing it down here. Median is equal to L1 plus n by 2 minus CF by F into I. So this is the formula to calculate median in continuous series. Okay, so now put the value here. L1 is 20 plus n by 2 is 25 minus CF is 10 by F is 20 and your I is 10. Correct? So once everything is done, what you have to do next? Simplify this. 25 minus 10, 15 by 20 into 10. You can just cut the 0, 0. You can cut 2, 1, 2, 2, 7, 14.5. So it will be 7.5. So here, let me just scroll a little up. So 20 plus 7.5 is equal to 27.5. So this is your answer. Okay, so 27.5 is the median value. Okay, are we clear? It's very easy, isn't it? So yeah, this is it for this question number 2. In the next video, I will be solving the rest of the questions, and meanwhile I will also be keeping some of the questions for you in order to work by yourself. However, some of the other questions are based on quartile as well. So I'll make another tutorial for quartile formula, and once I'm done with the formula, there will be another question which will be both for quartile and median. Okay, that way it will be easy for you to solve it. So alright, so this is it for this video. I'll see you again in the next video. Alright, take care.